Good morning, lovely kids. How are you? Hope you all are doing well. May God bless you with good health and happiness. Let's continue our chapter number 12. The name of chapter is The World of Plants. I welcome you all in today's virtual class of EVS. Students, in the previous video, we did chapter 12, The World of Plants part 1. In which we discussed about different kinds of plants and their uses. So today, before starting our class, let's revise the important points of the chapter. Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers are different kinds of plants. We see different kinds of plants around us. Trees, herbs, shrubs, creepers, climbers, these all are different kinds of plants. Trees are big and tall plants. They have thick and woody stem called trunk. Examples: neem tree, mango tree, shrubs. Shrubs are smaller than trees. They have thin and woody stem like rose plant, cotton plant. Herbs. Herbs are very small plants. They have green and soft stem like coriander, mint, spinach. Next, climbers. Climbers have weak stems and they grow around the support. Climbers की weak stem होती है, that's why they need a support to grow up like grapevine, money plant. Then creepers. Creepers too have weak stems and grow along the ground. Creepers also have weak stems, but they grow along the ground like cucumber, pumpkin, watermelon. We get many useful things from plants like tea, coffee, sugar, food, vegetables, fruits, medicines, oil, perfume. है ना? So plants are very useful for us. Now, we will see the animation of this chapter as visual meaning of something helps us to keep the things in our mind for a long time.
Chapter 12, The World of Plants. You might have seen different kinds of plants around you. Some plants are big and strong, while others are small and weak. Plants can be divided into three main groups on the basis of their size: trees, shrubs, and herbs. Trees. The big, tall, and strong plants are called trees. They have a woody stem called a trunk. Their roots and branches are also woody. Banyan, neem, coconut, mango, gooseberry, amla, spruce, and fir are examples of trees. Trees live for many years. Some trees like neem and peepal shed their leaves every year. They are called deciduous trees. Some trees like mango and banyan remain green throughout the year. They are called evergreen trees. Shrubs. Shrubs are smaller in size than trees. They also have a hard and woody stem and branches. A shrub has a bush-like appearance. Shrubs live for many years. China rose, cotton, jasmine, and rose plants are examples of shrubs. Herbs. Herbs are very small plants as compared to trees and shrubs. They have green and soft stems. Coriander, mustard, spinach, mint, and aloe vera plants are examples of herbs. Many herbs live for a couple of months or a year. Although most of the plants can stand erect, some plants have weak stem and needs a support. Plants with weak stem can be divided into two groups: climbers and creepers. Climbers. A climber is a plant which has a weak stem. The stem curls around a support to grow straight. Tea and bean plants, grapevine, and money plant are examples of climbers. Creepers. A creeper is a plant which grows along the ground. It has a very big and thin stem. cucumber, pumpkin, and watermelon are creepers. Thorny plants. Some plants have thorns. They are called thorny plants. Cactuses are thorny plants. Where do plants grow? Plants grow both on land and water. Most of the plants grow on land. Lotus and water lily grow in water. They are called water plants. Cactuses grow in hot deserts. They are called desert plants. What do plants give us? Plants give us many things. They are very useful to us. Plants give us food. We eat different parts of plants. Plants give us fibers. Fibers are used to make clothes, ropes, sacks, and mats. Plants give us wood. We make furniture like tables, chairs, doors, windows, and housing materials by using wood. Plants give us paper, rubber, gum, and perfume. Paper is made from bamboo. Rubber is made from the latex of the rubber tree. Gum is made from the juice of the cedar tree. And perfume is made from roses. Seeds, nuts, and fruits give us oil. We use oil in cooking, making soaps, shampoos, perfumes, and medicines. Plants give us medicines such as quinine and penicillin. Tulsi leaves are used to cure colds and cough. Certain parts of plants such as amla, haldi, and aloe vera are used as medicines. We get tea and coffee from tea plants and coffee plants respectively. We get sugar from sugarcane. Plants are our friends. They help us live on the earth. We must grow more and more plants.
Did you enjoy the animation? मजा आया? Very good. Now we will discuss the exercise of this chapter given on page number 71 and 72. Our first question is tick the correct answer. आपको correct answer पर टिक करना है. First one, trees that shed their leaves every year are called. वो trees जो हर साल अपने पत्ते गिराते हैं उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? Evergreen trees, deciduous trees या dead trees? Which is the correct answer? Yes, deciduous trees is the correct answer. Then number 2, trees that remain green throughout the year are called. वो trees जो पूरा साल green रहते हैं उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? Deciduous trees, evergreen trees, greenwood trees. Which is the correct answer? Yes, evergreen trees is the correct answer. Third one, money plant is an example of. Money plant किसका example है? Creepers, climbers, herbs. क्या है money plant? Yes, money plant is a climber. So, climbers is the correct answer. Question B. Write true or false. Now you have to tell whether these statements are true or false. First one, trees live for many years. Trees बहुत सालों तक जीवित रहते हैं. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Second one, shrubs are larger in size than trees. Shrubs का size trees से बड़ा होता है. अभी मैंने आपको बताया था, shrubs are smaller in size than trees. So this statement is false. Third one, climbers have a weak stem. Climbers की stem weak होती है. Yes, this is true. We will write true here. Fourth one, watermelon is a climber. Watermelon एक climber है. Is it true? No, it is false because watermelon is a creeper. So we will write false here. Is it clear? Beta, question C. Fill in the blanks. First one, the big, tall and strong plants are called dash. Big, tall और strong plants को हम dash कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? Trees. Very good. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. Next, A dash has a bush-like appearance. किसकी अपीयरेंस बुश लाइक होती है? बुश मतलब झाड़ी. क्या चीज झाड़ी जैसी दिखती है? यस, shrub. We will write shrub here. S-H-R-U-B. Shrub. Third one. A dash is a plant that grows along the ground. वो प्लांट जो कि ग्राउंड के साथ साथ ग्रो करता है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? यस, क्रीपर. C-R-E-E-P-E-R. Creeper. Fourth one. Paper is made from dash. Paper dash का बना होता है. किसका बना होता है? Bamboo. B-A-M-B-O. Bamboo. Clear? Question number D. Answer these questions. There are 3 questions. You have to write down answers of these questions. First one. What is the difference between trees and shrubs? Trees और shrubs में आपको difference बताना है. बेटा मैंने आपको नीम ट्री दिखाया था, मैंने आपको shrub में रोज दिखाया था ना. तो trees क्या होते हैं? Trees are big and tall plants. They have thick and woody stem. Shrubs are smaller in size than trees. They have thin and woody stem. Second, what is the difference between creepers and climbers? बेटा मैंने आपको मनी प्लांट दिखाया था. मनी प्लांट क्या है? क्लाइंबर है. Climbers are plants that have weak stem and need support to grow straight. ठीक है? और creepers are plants that grow along the ground like pumpkin, watermelon, cucumber. Third question, list 5 uses of plants. Plants के आपको 5 uses बताने हैं. हमने बहुत सारे uses पढ़े हैं plants के. Plants give us medicine. Plants give us wood to make furniture. Plants give us tea. Plants give us coffee. Plants give us sugar. Plants give us perfume. Plants give us oil. So बहुत सारे uses हैं. You have to write down any 5 uses of plants. Okay? बेटा क्वेश्चन E. Think and answer. आपको इसका आंसर सोच के लिखना है. What is the question? How can we find out the age of a tree? हम ट्री की एज को कैसे फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं? बेटे हम अपनी एज कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं? बाय बर्थ डेट. कि हमारा बर्थ डेट क्या है उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम अपना हर साल ईयर काउंट करते हैं. अब ट्री की एज कैसे पता चलेगी? ट्रीज की एज पता चलती है बेटे जब उसका ट्रंक कटता है तो उसमें आपको रिंग्स दिखाई देंगे. बाय काउंटिंग द नंबर ऑफ रिंग्स वी कैन फाइंड आउट द एज ऑफ अ ट्री. जितने भी रिंग्स होंगे उतना साल पुराना वो ट्री होगा. नाउ वैल्यूज एंड लाइफ स्किल. बेटा फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर व्हाट वी हैव लर्न्ड? We learned that plants give us many useful things. They are very important for us. They are necessary for our survival. So it is our duty to take care of them. So now what you have to do? You have to plant one tree in your neighborhood and look after it. आपको अपने नेबरहुड में एक प्लांट लगाना है, उसको वाटर देना है और उसको बड़े होते हुए देखना है. क्योंकि प्लांट्स हमारे लिए बहुत यूजफुल हैं. वो सिर्फ हमें खाने पीने की चीजें ही नहीं देते. दे क्लीन आवर एनवायरमेंट. दे गिव अस ऑक्सीजन टू ब्रीथ, जो कि हमारे लिए बहुत जरूरी है. सो इट इज आवर ड्यूटी टू ग्रो मोर एंड मोर प्लांट्स टू कीप आवर अर्थ क्लीन एंड ग्रीन. ओके?
Here is a quote for you. Success comes to those who dare to begin. सफलता उन्हीं के पास आती है जो शुरुआत करने की हिम्मत करते हैं. बच्चे, हमें किसी भी सिचुएशन से डरना या घबराना नहीं चाहिए. हमें हर सिचुएशन का डटकर सामना करना चाहिए, तभी सफलता हमें मिलेगी. ठीक है बच्चों? स्टूडेंट्स, you have to do your book work and notebook work in neat and clean handwriting and submit me timely. बेटा, आप सबको घर पर रहना है. If it is very necessary to go outside, then don't forget to wear a mask. घर पर रहिए, अपना और अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स का ख्याल रखिए. Meet you soon in the next video. Till then, bye.